Welcome back to the channel, folks. In this video we will talk about conditional access policies. So why conditional access policies? Two common issues administrators face are empowering users to be productive whenever and wherever, and to protect the organization's asset. Use conditional access policies to apply the right access controls when needed to keep your organization secure. Conditional access policy at the simplest are if-then statements. If a user wants to access a resource, then they must complete an action. For example, a payroll manager wants to access the payroll application and is required to do multi-factor authentication to access it. Let's look at an example. We will create a policy to force users to use multi-factor authentication. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm logged into my lab account here, and we will go to Azure Active Directory. Keep in mind they are moving from Azure Active Directory to Entra ID now. So let's see, move to Entra from Azure. So the Azure name might just go away. Oh yeah, there we go. Microsoft Entra ID is the new name for Azure Active Directory. No action is required for you. So basically everything that says Azure is going to become Entra in Microsoft Azure Active Directory. I don't know about other Azure things. Okay, let's get back to the topic then. So we'll go to the security here, and then we'll go to conditional access. Now as you can see, if we go to policies, I don't have any policies set yet. So what we'll do is we'll create a new policy, and you have all these options that you can go through. However, for beginners, I would recommend or to be more comfortable with the conditional access policies, try using the templates here. So let me go back once again, I was too fast. Conditional access, create new policy for templates. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of templates predefined for you for, secure foundation, zero trust, remote work. In this video, I was gonna demonstrate how to enforce multi-factor authentication for all the users. And you can see under remote work, there is this option, require multi-factor authentication for all users. So I'm gonna select that, and it's so easy if you just have a template for it. Choose that, you can click on review and create, and this is the final page. You can see the policy state, definitely set on report only if it's the very first time and you're testing it on like a batch of users instead of deploying it to the entire organization, which you would do by clicking on here, but we'll keep it on report only. What users are being targeted? It's all users. Who is excluded? Make sure you exclude yourself or the global admin account so you don't lock yourself out. What application it's targeting? It's targeting all the apps, so cloud apps, clients, everything is included, and you will get access once you do this multi-factor, which is required. Everything looks good. If you want to change the name of the policy, you can definitely do that, but I'll keep it the same since it's just a demonstration. We'll click on create. It takes a couple of minutes, or actually faster than that. So if I go to the policies now, you would see require multi-factor authentication for all users. Now since it's only in report only state, how would you track it? How would you know it's working as expected? You would know that by going to the conditional access policy or overview, and you can check the sign-in logs. Now if the users which were targeted by this policy in here are signing in, you will be able to see through the sign-in logs what happened to them. Were they prompted by the multi-factor or were they not? So everything will be visible here. I'm not gonna get deep into sign-in logs in this video. I'll keep that for a separate one. But yeah, that's how you would create a conditional access policy. Now if you see the sign-in logs and you see everything is working as expected, you can make this live just by clicking on it, and you will set it from report only to on, and you will hit save, and now this will be applied to your organization. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.